Hi, this is Mato. In the year 2013, I made a book called The King Hunt. And just recently, I made a DVD called The King Hunt, which is based on that book. But the DVD is much, much better. The King Hunt DVD is filled with beautiful chess games. And in this video, I will show you just a tiny bit from that treasure. I hope that you will enjoy it. This is a game between Mikhail Tal and Miroslav Filip, played in 1967. Mikhail Tal started with e4, c6, d4, d5, the Caro-Kann defense. Knight to c3, d takes on e4, knight takes on e4, knight to d7, knight to f3, knight from g to f6, knight to g3, e6, bishop to d3, bishop to e7, queen to e2, lining the queen with the black king, c5, and Tal castled kingside. Miroslav Filip castled kingside 2, rook to d1, aligning the rook with the black queen, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, rook to e8, b3, queen to b6, attacking the knight, bishop to b2 as planned, knight to f8, knight to f3, bishop to d7, developing the bishop and connecting rooks, knight to e5, rook from a to d8, knight to e4, knight takes knight, bishop takes knight, removing the target, queen to h5, knight to g6 was played. White to move. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? Mikhail Tal sacrificed the knight on f7. King takes knight, and now queen takes on h7. For a sacrificed piece, Tal has 2 pawns plus the attack on the black king. Plenty of compensation. The game continued. e5. Rook takes rook. Rook takes rook. Queen to h5, pinning the knight. Queen to e6. Hoping to exchange queens, perhaps with queen to g4 or something like that. Preventing that, bishop to c5, king to h1, bishop to d4, rook to d1. Now this is very interesting. Black can't find a good move. Rook to d6 was played. Bishop to a3, attacking the rook. Rook to a6. How would you continue now? White played a move and black resigned. Believe it or not. And the move is rook takes on d4. Black resigned in view of this continuation. Pawn takes rook. Bishop to d5. Winning the queen. Well, that was an ordinary day in the life of Mikhail Tal, the greatest attacking grandmaster. In the King Hunt DVD, you will find many games of Mikhail Tal. You will also find games of some ordinary players, like Bobby Fischer. Just kidding. Bobby Fischer is one of the greatest, if not the greatest. Seriously, you will find games of some ordinary players who were inspired and who played the immortal king hunting game. Perhaps after watching the King Hunt DVD, you will be inspired and you will play your own immortal game. This treasure can be yours today. And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck in hunting your opponent's king. Bye for now.